Unable to start mower. I get a high-pitched squealing sound, but the motor won't turn over.
What's the brand and model of your lawn mower? How old is it?
Poulan Pro 42-inch riding mower. It's 2 years old, but has never been used. I replaced the battery yesterday.
How long has this been going on with your Poulan lawn mower? What have you tried so far?
2 days. It had never been started up before.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Don't know.
High-pitched squeal. The starter is trying. Remove the spark plug and see if the engine will spin over. May have fluid on top of the piston.
I don't see a spark plug.
Front of the engine where the OHV cover is. Look for the wire, about the size of a pencil, that goes directly to the spark plug.
Still not seeing it.
Engine make and model?
Poulan Pro 42-inch riding mower, model number PP17G42.
Briggs engine? On the left side of the OHV cover on the front of the engine, side opposite of the muffler.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.